Hey guys, the standard of professional learning that I'm going to be discussing today is data. And I think that data is important in professional learning communities because it's such a great resource for gathering information and utilizing that information to better learning communities, especially in the classroom. Um, when you gather data, it's important to not only just look at it, but to find meaning in the data and to see what it is that you can improve on. For me, I want to be a teacher, so as a future educator, it's important for me to look at the data that I get from my students and in the classroom, and I use that data to make any changes in my teaching methods and in my classroom so that my students can be successful. An example of this would be for me, say as a fourth grade teacher, after doing a lesson and just giving my kids a quiz or test at the end, to take those test results and to collaborate with the other fourth grade teachers and to see what it is that they did well on, and to see what it is that our students didn't do so well on. And by collaborating and seeing what it was that maybe other teachers did differently that would work in my classroom, by implementing those ideas and strategies to better the success of my students. Another way I could gather data is to just sit down and observe a classroom for a day and another teacher and see how they are able to effectively teach their students, and to see what it is that I could do to make changes in my classroom. It's also important to not just get data from students, but to get data from parents and other teachers and from other people in the school system, so that I can take that information and better myself as a teacher. That kind of perception data is important because it shows that you care about the opinions of parents and other teachers, and that you want their concerns and voices to be heard. It's also important to get data from multiple sources, and that will help enrich decisions about professional learning that can lead to increased results for every student. The use of multiple sources of data offers a more balanced analysis of students and educators. Here, myself and my classmates can start using this standard, whether it be through school or in our internship or at our job, by making observations and gaining information from other teachers and whatnot to see what it works for them and what teaching strategies they use in their classrooms every day. And by gathering all that information that way, I can be better prepared when I do graduate. Thanks, guys.